You may have heard about changes in the mortgage qualification rules and are wondering what it means for you. Let's take a few minutes to go over the new rules. The first thing you need to know is that there are two types of residential mortgages: conventional and high ratio or insured mortgages. A conventional mortgage is one where your down payment or equity is equal to 20% or more of the property value. A high ratio mortgage is one where you have a down payment or equity that is less than 20% of the property value, which in turn requires you to obtain mortgage insurance. Stricter mortgage qualification rules have been introduced to help ensure that a borrower can continue to pay their mortgage even if interest rates rise. And the new rules are specific to the mortgage type. If you're seeking a conventional mortgage, you'll need to pass a mortgage stress test that uses the higher of your mortgage contract rate plus 2%, or the 5-year benchmark rate published by the Bank of Canada to qualify. For a high-ratio mortgage, qualification is based on the higher of the contract rate or the Bank of Canada's 5-year conventional mortgage rate at the time of your mortgage application. It's important to note that the rate used during the mortgage qualification process doesn't mean that you'll be paying a higher interest rate on your mortgage. It's only used to determine the amount you qualify for. In general, the stricter qualification rules will reduce the maximum mortgage you can get. So you may need to save a bit longer to increase the amount of your down payment, get someone to co-sign the mortgage with you, or you may have to purchase a property at a price point lower than you had anticipated. If you're considering the purchase of a property, your first step is to obtain a mortgage pre-approval so you know how much you can comfortably afford. Your local CIBC Mobile Mortgage Advisor will guide you through the mortgage qualification process and can provide expert advice that meets your specific needs. If you're not currently working with a realtor, your CIBC Mobile Mortgage Advisor can also introduce you to one of our trusted realtor partners. Contact your local CIBC Mobile Mortgage Advisor today for expert mortgage advice that's right for you.